What's up, everybody? Happy Cinco de Mayo to everybody out there that's celebrating it. Hope you guys have a wonderful, safe, blessed day with your friends and your family. Make sure you drink responsibly. Don't drive if you do drink. I'm just prepping myself right now. You know, it's only right that I celebrate with the Corona Refrescas. So since it is a Mexican holiday, so put that right there in my cooler. Anyway, what I wanted to show you guys real quick, as I said in the last video, the carbon fiber kit did finally come in, so I'm gonna walk out to the garage real quick and show you guys that. Put this in the trunk real quick. Got my swimming gear and everything ready. But yeah, here it is right here. Don't mind the rags. But here's the carbon fiber kit right here. Oh, also, those are some J35 heads. If anybody's interested in buying them, definitely let me know. But yeah, man, let's get to this carbon fiber kit real quick. I already opened it just to take a quick look at it, but there it is. Those are all the pieces for the interior. That's for the radio and the navigation system. That's for the cup holders. These are parts of the steering wheel. There's a whole bunch of pieces right here. There's more right there for the center console. Obviously, I won't need this one. I have a manual, so I'm not gonna need that one. Oh yeah, I am really excited to put this on. That's for the dashboard. Yeah, man. So yeah, I will do an install video on that pretty soon, so look out for that one. As of right now, I'm gonna go enjoy my Cinco de Mayo, so hope you guys all do the same. But like I said, please drink responsibly and celebrate, and don't drive drunk. Have a great day, guys.